Hello, my name is Ange,
Hello, my name is Antonio.
and we're the owners of Freshlocs Loc Shop, and you're watching Leak TV.
My wife was the first entrepreneur. I used to work for somebody 9 to 5, but then I got tired of working where I was at and got tired of the rules, and not to say the rules and regulation, but the disrespect. So I decided to go to school and become a hairstylist, and now we a big brand now.
So for me, I was a boutique owner for a little over 10 years, and then I decided to go ahead and partner up with my husband since I pretty much knew how everything was going behind the business. So once I linked up with him, it became even bigger.
If it was left up to me, I'd probably still be in somebody's shop paying booth rent. You know what I'm saying? But just because of her and her knowing my ability to do what I can do, she pushed me to go ahead and get my first shop. Now this is the second shop, and we blessed. We always together.
Get along. Well, yeah, we get along good. Like, I already knew his the beginning of his client base. So it made sense for me to be the shampoo girl, for me to be the assistant, for me to be the manager, because we can talk about those things, and it's better for our relationship because we're actually in the same industry. So we have less problems because, if you're in customer service, your husband may not understand how these calls may get on your nerves, So us being able to talk about this and be able to work in the same industry is pretty easy for us.
I don't get tired of it. I love
it. Basically being consistent when it comes to networking and also posting on social media. Antonio has a larger following, and it really helps us even more be able to venture out to other cities. So it's easier for us because of him being consistent and making sure he's on top of his game, giving all the knowledge that he gives when it comes to doing hair.
Because everybody's always charging for everything, and I feel that a lot of people cannot get to me, or a lot of people cannot afford me. So I said, why not do little tutorials on Instagram and stuff like that, and give people knowledge that they probably don't even know or are willing to learn, that somebody is always charging, so they can never, get what they want without having to pay for it. Me, I said, you know what, this is my page and I'm gonna do what I want, and I get a lot of respect for that.
Also too, I want to add to that, the reason why I started doing hair, not only is he my mentor and also my business partner, but I wanted to be able to, if anything ever happened to him, I wanted to be able to still continue to be within the business and have the business progress as well.
I kind of shopped around in the city and see what everybody's prices was, and you know what I'm saying. In some cities, of course, they're higher than us, but we just have to go with the cost of living here in Indiana. So I just kind of shopped around and put my prices in between. But as I got greater in who I am, I do put a price limit on my talent and my craft, because I feel that I am the best at what I do and what I can give. So I think when it comes to paying for something, you're gonna pay for quality, right? That's what we are. We quality.
So actually we don't call locks dreads. Dreads is a term that pretty much our enemy would state that our locks are actually dreadful. So we don't feel like our hair is dreadful at all. So we actually don't even say dreads. We do correct people, but people are going to say what they want to say, and they're brought up in different areas. So we do educate them on the difference between locks and dreads. Locks, you're getting them groomed. Dreads, it could be more of a Rastafarian type of, you know, just free-forming type of locks that you may have. So sometimes people don't understand that there is a difference.
But the same thing.
But the same thing.
A lot of people don't understand locks. I mean, you can go to any stylist and get your hair twisted, but do they understand locks? I don't think that's big in the community of doing hair because locks have become a big thing now. Everybody wants locks now.
It's trendy.
It's very trending, and it's important for people to be able to come into a shop and be able to learn and get educated on their hair, you know, because like I said, a lot of stylists don't know how to take care of dreads. They just twist them, put them under the dryer, tell them to go to the store, get some products, boom, bam, boom. But you're not telling them how your hair cultivate, how it grows, how it's going to go through its stages and stuff like that. So being able to come in here and being able to see people with the same hair, knowing that you can be secure and coming in here and be able to go to anybody you want, I think that's a big thing why I wanted to open the lock shop, because it's just not a common thing here in Indianapolis. So
it really needed a home for locks. So you can be able to know the history of locks, how to take care of them, be able to get products that's not harsh on your hair, knowing that we will say no if you're not ready. We're not just going to do it just because we can get the money. We're not going to do that. We love healthy locks, and that's what we strive the most.
Yeah. I think each one of our team members have a different, you know, ability. I don't do sister locks. My wife don't do sister locks. We don't do microlocs, and that's what Zinzi here. That's what she does. She offers that. She's the queen of microlocs here in Indianapolis, and that's what makes our team stronger, because we don't have to turn anybody away.
Right.
You know, so I think that we are forked up when it comes to locks. You know, I have several different stylists.
Greetings, everybody. My name is Zinzi. On Facebook, I am Miss Zinzi Brienne, and on IG, I am THEE Fairy Lock Mother.
And what do you specialize in?
I specialize in natural hair and microlocs. So I'm AKA NDC Microlocs.
My name is Nina. I bust dreads on Facebook and IG. Follow me.
Yes, this is Nina. She's she's made it past her 90 days, so she's straight official with us.
Period.
You know what I'm saying? And she just offers basically another hand for when we have like millions of walk-ins and stuff like that. Instead of me and Angie trying to get everybody in, here's Nina here to help us, you know. So
and she is code at Loc Styles. She is the truth. So make sure if you're looking to get a retwist in the lock style, you book Nina.
Nina, baby.
Hey guys, I'm Erica, the Retwist Slayer. You can hit me on IG at the THA_retwist Slayer. That's SLAYA. I am a loctician here at Freshlocs.
Yeah, she's been with us for at least a year and a half now. She's my client actually. I actually do her hair, turned into my shampoo person, then turned into a loctician. So she's been with me for a long time. So she's the retwist slayer, like she said. If y'all go follow her IG, y'all understand what we're talking about with her being a retwist slayer. You know what I'm saying? So
and she does lock candy, not lock sprinkles. She does lock candy.
She does lock candy,
right?
and we want y'all to see what she does. You see the lock candy? This is what she does.
The only one in the city, okay? Lock candy, not to be
sprinkles.
confused with hair sprinkles. I got you.
I'm Alicia Simone.
Facebook and IG, The Gentle Touch Loctician.
And yes, she's been with me for
1 year.
1 year. She's
killing it.
She's killing it. She does wicks. She does
Lock extensions.
lock extensions,
regular
Caucasian. I mean, she took a class with me and my wife, and now she's just a booming and a banging, and I like that, you know what I'm saying, because she's just not keeping herself to just one, you know, retwist style and out of here. She's just evolving, and I can't say nothing but I enjoy her presence.
I'm Ronnie. My IG is slay_7.
I'm Keisha. My Instagram is Creative Keisha.
And yes, these are our two new, you know what I'm saying, proteges up in here, and
They handle all of our walk-ins. They're building their clientele, and we're going to get them to the top.
My name is Shan Trademark the Barber. You can reach me on Instagram at Shan Trademark.
And he is our barber and also our loctician at Freshlocs Loc Shop.
yeah, because we needed that last touch in our lock shop, that, you know, if a client needed their hair cut right after they got service, they can go right down to the chair instead of going down the street or across the alley or down, you know, whatever. So they can just come right here, because that completes our team. He completes our team. So I'm glad to have him aboard. So if anybody needs their hair cut or their locks groomed, Shan got them as well.
My name is Brittany. I'm the receptionist.
And she's been with us for about 3 months now, and we needed a receptionist, because all the calls and all the walk-ins and stuff like that, me and my wife, we just couldn't handle that, especially me. So I'm glad that Brittany is aboard. That way she can take all our calls from the shop, from our phones, and put everybody on the schedule, because that's what she do, you know. So,
And also, don't get it messed up. She know about locks, okay? She knows about locks. She has a background. So we were really looking forward to hiring a receptionist, and she's doing a really, really, really great job.
when you come in here, everybody here should know about locks, basically, you know, and you shouldn't walk out of here feeling like you wasn't educated or your hair wasn't taken care of, because
Or you know what products to get, because we make our own products.
Because we make sure that we educate. I make sure that we educate everybody. And if you don't know the answer, come and ask me or Angie, you know what I'm saying? And I'll give my best answer to you that I can possibly can. So yeah, that's Freshlocs. Yeah, in the streets.
In the streets.
Oh.